Hello. Today we're going to be talking about the application version of the website that I created, which is a memorial website for my grandmother who passed away last year. In the previous YouTube video, you saw the actual full website, and then we created an app version of it as well to complement it. Again, the goal of the app version is not to duplicate the website that's out there, but to provide some basic information that you might need if you really wanted to just look up the information on Fatima Sughra Foundation, or you wanted to just check out some pictures and get some information on scholarship and things like that. The true information is still on the main website, but yeah, this app will provide you just a quick overview and the things that you might need on your fingertips if need be to get information on the Memorial Foundation. So, looking at the website, the app itself, you can see it only has four different pages, different links, and within the links they might have some others. From a color scheme perspective, I tried to keep the colors the same. So you see this Fatma Sughra Foundation is in this dark green color. This is the same color that was used on the website. And so is the background. Background also, the color is the same color that was used on the actual website. So if you go on the welcome page, the welcome provides you an overview of what the website is, what the purpose is. A lot of the text comes right out of the main website. So the first paragraph gives you a good idea of what this website is for, and then what the purpose of the website is in the second paragraph. So this provides anyone with a quick overview of the what the website is for. Um, and then there's the gallery section again. It's similar to the design and the concept behind the full website is in a way to energize the youth and to play on a little bit of emotions to get them to become more active and participate. So this gallery provides some pictures of my grandmother at various stages and with various people. I did put in a little blurb talking about that we're looking to constantly update it with various pictures, provide them an email address to send these pictures to, and then clicking on any of these pictures expands it, and then just like an app, they can flick through the pictures to get all these various pictures. To get out of it, they have the cross button, so clicking on that, they'll bring it back to the home page. And I only put an assortment, maybe 10-20 pictures. I didn't want to put too many pictures on the app. Probably will slow it down a little bit in terms of loading the page. So I didn't want to put too many in there. Um, and then the main part, which I think the app will be used for a lot, is for the scholarship perspective. So when people go and they want to get the basic scholarship information, they can get that. They can get the overview first, and these are collapsible. So and as we get more information, I can put them in there in sequential order, so people will constantly be updated on what's happening. So if they want to know about the eligibility criteria, they can just click on this, and it provides them just the three things that are the criteria to be eligible for the scholarship. And then from an application process, again, this provides you just the bare bones. Again, what the things that they need report cards, recommendations, things like that. So it just provides you that information. The other thing I might put on there as we mature is how to donate. Unfortunately, on the website, it's on the app itself. I cannot link it to something like a PayPal, so that's why I chose to keep it out right now. But once I figure out how people can donate via mobile PayPal account, or if I can link a PayPal account to this, I'm gonna add another section at the bottom to provide that information. And then lastly, it's a contact us, which is just providing the information, my phone number and the email address. Clicking on this will actually call the number, and then the same thing, clicking on this will actually send an email to this particular email address. So again, the website is very simple. It's designed to be simple. Um, the color scheme is kept very much the same. The menu options are kept the same, and the text is fairly similar, but with just the abbreviated and the quick version of it. So hope this provides you a good overview on the app, the purpose of the app, and how it's going to be used in the future. All right. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.